Hello, my friends, and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. Today, I have some fun things to share with you. As always, when I am going thrifting, I'm looking for unique things that I can use in my home decor. I'm also looking for anything vintage that I fall in love with that I can add a little bit something special to my home decor. And this week, I found a few things that I'm absolutely in love with. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's haul. So today I have a great mixture of vintage items. I've got something for Christmas, something for Halloween, and then I found a few things as well that are just for general decorating purposes and entertaining purposes. So I am super excited about today's haul. And I didn't spend very much, which was awesome. So I'm going to start off with the largest item that I picked up today. This I found on the shelf and I was instantly drawn to it because I thought it was really pretty. It reminds me of those Chromex trays that I love so much that are from like the 60s and the 50s. And I thought it would be perfect for when I host Thanksgiving. I can use it at Christmas time or any time really when I do any sort of entertaining. And it is this little tray right here. It has these glass little sections in it. And then in the middle, there's a covered dish, which I think is so cool. But the best part about it is, look at this. It's a Lazy Susan as well. I fell in love with this right away. If you can see underneath, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that or not, but it's got a cute little pedestal. And I just thought this was the coolest thing ever for like, little things. We always do like a little bit of vegetables, or we do like a cheese and cracker tray. That would be really good for this as well. Or I could just put it on the table. It could have the cranberry sauce in it, all the little itsy bitsy things that we add to our Thanksgiving table. I'm not quite sure if we're going to be doing our serving like family style or if we're going to do buffet style. We kind of switch it up from year to year. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do this year because I am hosting this year. So who knows, I may end up using this, I'm sure somehow in my Thanksgiving this year because I'm so excited to use it. But I just thought this was really neat and it will come in super, super handy. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but these little glass sections are absolutely gorgeous. And there's 4 little sections. So I thought that was pretty cool. So loving that for sure. Did I tell you how much it was? I can't remember. It was $9.74, which I thought was a fabulous price. So loving that. All right, so moving on to the next item, I found a little goodie bag with some gorgeous silver salt and pepper shakers. Oh, you guys know how much I love my silver salt and pepper shakers. These were, how much were they? $2.99 with the discount that I had that day. And these may be similar. I haven't even taken them out of the bag yet. Oh, they're just gorgeous. They look a little rough, but man, there's a lot of detail on these. I think they're just gorgeous. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. Isn't it pretty? First off, look at the little feet. Gorgeous detailing, and then there's detailing all the way up, and then all the way up into here as well. They've got like a little gold tinge to them. So I'm not quite sure what that means. So I'm not quite sure if they will, polish up nicely or not. But it doesn't matter to me really because the state that they're currently in is really pretty to me. So I picked those up to add to my collection. I have similar ones that are about this height, but not this shape. So I was super happy when I saw these because it's been a long time since I found a good silver salt and pepper shaker duo. I've been feeling like I needed another one, so I'm super glad to find those. This next item had me super excited because it matches 2 other items that I already have. It was originally $3.99 and I got it for $2.59, and it is a milk glass footed bowl, or I don't know, I guess I call it a footed bowl. But I am in love with these. Look at the pattern on that. Isn't it just gorgeous? And then I love the fluting on the top. And then, of course, the pedestal as well. I am a sucker for anything with the pedestal. I just think it is so fun, so elegant looking. And this one, like I said, matches two that I already have that are larger. The same pattern, same thing. It's just about double the size, and I love them. Those are two of my favorite milk glass pieces, and I didn't even know that this was size was a thing. So I'm super excited to have found this. I looked all over to maybe possibly find its pair, but there wasn't one. So eventually maybe I'll find another one that is exactly like this. So then I'll have two large ones and two small ones, and I just love them. One of my favorite things to do with the larger ones is to put floral arrangements in them, and I just think they look so beautiful. So this one will probably get a floral arrangement as well at some point, but you know, it's just nice on a shelf as well because it is so pretty and simple, and I just absolutely love it. So super excited about this find. All right, so then the next item I picked up was something for Halloween, and I thought these were adorable. I already have some like this, but I couldn't pass them up. It was 2 packages of little favor bags with the cute, adorable graphic on them. Isn't that adorable? So I got 2 bags of them. It doesn't look like they've ever been opened. And each bag has like 40 in it, it says. Yeah. So this was only $2.24. And these are fun to like take out and like make a little banner out of them. I've done that before in the past. Or I take out the graphic and I like frame them in a frame. Just a little something to add a little vintagey kind of fun decor for Halloween. These actually are from, the packaging says 1993. So not very old, but at the same time, they have that vintage vibe to them. And I thought they were super cute. So of course, I could not pass them up. I just had to bring them home with me. And I'll put them with the rest of my stash of these little bags that I occasionally take out and decorate with. So thought that was a great little find. Speaking of little finds, I'm all about the little goodie bags today, you guys. I got another one here. This was $2.24. And inside of it are these little, what do they call them? Tiny lights, they are called. This little box of like little fairy lights, multicolored. It says it has 20 lights on it. Let me take one out of the box here. Once again, these don't look like they've ever been opened. They are battery operated. It said tiny rice-styled lights with a choice of flashing or steady function. Originally $3.99 per the package. I just thought they were really cute. They would be kind of fun to like put in a jar. You know, I don't really know. I don't really know how I'm going to use them. But I love anything that's battery operated that adds a little ambiance. So I thought these would be kind of fun. So I don't know. Maybe I'll put them in a wreath, like obviously it shows here. Maybe I put them in a jar and light them up, you know how they do that sort of thing. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll never use them, but I thought they were super adorable, and I picked them up. And there was a whole bunch of them. There was like 5 packages of them. So I could have went hog wild, but I restrained myself and only picked up one. All right, so the next item is a Christmas item, and I paid $1.49 for it. It is a Christmas candle from way back in 89, and it looks like this. It's still in its original box, which is super cute. And should we take it out of the box? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. It's actually supposed to be 2 little candles in one. It's basically this little house. I don't know that it's too old. It's too old to be 2 candles in one. It is now melted into one. But anyways, originally it's this little house, which I thought was so cute because, you know, I love the little red house. You know me. And then it has this little person, which is its own separate candle that's supposed to be able to come out and like sit in front of it and be its own little candle. But like I said, they're now kind of meshed together. But I just thought this was super cute and totally worth $1.49. It reminds me a lot of, is it the girly? I can't say the word. The candles that everyone, you know, the vintagey candles that are in the shapes that everyone's like all crazy about collecting. It reminds me about that. So I thought, why don't I go ahead and just get this, and I'll add it to my tacky Christmas collection that I love so much. So I just thought it was cute and definitely worth the $1.49. So I am loving that. All right, so that brings me to my very last item of the day. This is probably my favorite item and probably the most boring item that I picked up today. But I know that I can use it in so many different ways that it makes me super, super excited about. I am in love with it. It was originally $8.99. I picked it up for $6.74, and it is an enamelware stock pot in the white and black. Oh, you guys, I am in love with this. It is in really good condition. Has the lid still. The bottom's in pretty good condition as well. I mean, it's fully intact. There's no holes in it, because sometimes you can get some ones with the holes in it. However, inside, it looks a little rough, a little brown in there. So I didn't buy it for actually cooking in. I bought it more as a decorative piece. In my new kitchen, I've been adding this sort of enamelware into it, and I just love the way it looks in there. It kind of balances the new with the old, and I just love it so much. So I thought this would be a great piece to add into the mix somehow, some way. I can use it to store things in. And then I was thinking at Christmas time I could put a little tree in it, put it on the island, add some little things around it, and I think that would look really super duper adorable. So, of course, I had to pick it up, and I'm super excited that I did. Alright, so that is what I picked up this week at the thrift stores. I would love to know down in the comments which was your favorite of my finds. And, of course, if you guys went out thrifting this week, let me know down in the comments what you picked up that has you excited. Tell me all about it so we can chat. And then, of course, if you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and the thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. And I will see you again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Until then, happy thrifting. Have yourself a fabulous day, and I'll see you soon. Bye now.